For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Your space doesn't need a full renovation to look new. Sometimes one smart upgrade is enough. Let me share this with you honestly. When I added this brown oval ceramic vessel sink to a small wash area, the difference was immediate. No tile change, no cabinet swap, yet the space felt cleaner and more put together. This sink is made for above-counter use and works perfectly in bathrooms, balconies, or vanity setups where you want a visible upgrade without extra work. What stands out right away is the carved line texture. In daily use, it does not feel decorative only. It feels solid, balanced, and comfortable. I use it every day, and it still looks the same as the day it was installed. That tells you a lot about the ceramic quality. The brown color is easy to match. I paired it with wood and neutral surfaces, and it blended naturally without adjusting anything else. The oval shape gives enough space for washing while keeping the counter area clean and organized. This sink is made from high-temperature fired ceramic porcelain, which means it resists water, stains, and daily wear. Cleaning is simple. Mild soap and water are enough. I have not needed special cleaners or extra effort. If you want a simple change that makes people notice your space, this sink does that. It is practical, easy to maintain, and built for real daily use. Sometimes one well-chosen piece is all it takes to upgrade how a space feels.